Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you a quick and simple tip that will be very helpful to you when using your ultrasonic cleaner to clean your carburetor. Stay tuned. Here's the tip. If you will clean and pre-prep your carburetor before putting it into the ultrasonic cleaner, it will greatly improve your chances of ending up with a carburetor that will perform to your satisfaction. Pre-cleaning your carburetor also keeps the cleaning solution in your ultrasonic cleaner clean longer, preventing you from having to replace it so often. I personally have about a 90% success rate when using my ultrasonic cleaner to clean my carburetors. I must say that ultrasonic cleaners are awesome, but there are some carburetors that are stubborn and challenging to clean and must be replaced. If the tip in this video has been helpful to you, please take a moment to like the video and share it with someone who may find it helpful. If you have any question about carburetors or ultrasonic cleaners, please leave a comment in the comment section. I do respond to all comments. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel to be notified of my upcoming videos. And as always, thanks for watching.